All right, here we go. Thanksgiving 2009. Dave
Wearing the
Bender.
same shirt as Thanksgiving 2008.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Dropping Le Bird. Hey, somebody's gonna help. Somebody's gonna have to, put the wine down. There
Some
goes the
days you're the
bucket.
turkey, and other days you're the fryer.
Yep. Get those wings.
Oh, you got that on the thermometer.
So, the wings. Yep. No gentleness in here. This is just straight. Screw the bird. Sucks to be who? Sucks to be the turkey. A round of applause for Mr. Bender, but we're all holding cigars. Tap, 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 tap.
You gotta light it up. Turkey.
And there we go.
What if you made